if you want to do any illegal works legally, that time it will be very distracting for you. And here guys, in this video we will talk with you about a distractive operating system by which you can almost make any distraction. So here, what is this? In this video I will talk. This is actually the Kali Linux. So here, what is this and what's the feature of it and how it works and how you can download it, install it in your PC. The whole I will explain here. So you need to wait and watch this video from the first to the last. I'm Sajidz and you're watching Sajidz Tech. Before starting that, I have a request. If you're not already the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe. And if you do so still not so, thanks a lot. Start this video with me. Okay guys, in all around the world, here they have a lot of operating systems like Windows, DOS, Mac, Linux, there are a lot. And here most of the cases we use Windows 10 in nowadays. So here whenever we install this type of Windows in our PC, like this type of operating system, here you will get some tools that is pre-installed in your PC, like this is the calculator, WordPad, Notepad, your media player or other video player, this type of. But after just installing it, we use some other advanced tools like MS Office, VLC media players and other games. So here these are the post-install tools that we install after boot this Windows 10 in our this PC. This not only for the Windows PC, it happens all for the Windows 95 to the Windows 10, all around this operating system it happens. So here in this case, here in the Kali Linux, you also get some this type of pre-installed tools. But here, these tools are not simple and immature. And here guys, these are very highly advanced tools by which you can easily track any website or track the weakness of some websites or track any Facebook profile, whatever you want. There by this you can do any type of destructive work like in the online. So here guys, this is the difference between the other operating system and the Kali Linux. So most of the cases here the developer use or the ethical hacker use this operating system to reduce their work time, because here they have all the base codes are there. Now you will understand clearly if you are an ethical hacker. That time if you want to hack any website or crack any site or other Facebook profile, whatever it is, here you need to write a base code, a big codes are there, and it will take at least 2 to 3 hours for you to make your base codes. But here these base codes are free here, and here it's pre-installed in your this Kali Linux. Whenever you want to work on those, you just open it and give some extra commands and it will going to start your work. So here guys, this is the thing, the difference between you and this Kali Linux. Whenever a hacker want to hack any website, that time he makes a lot of base codes. But here you needed to do any base codes, all the base codes are there, and here you need to just give the extra codes whatever you want to customize. So here now we will talk about this download. Here this download is open source and you can download it from the online, and I will give you the link in the description below. From here you can download it easily and install it in your PC. So here the installation is really easy for you, and here the specification of your PC must be at least 265 MB RAM is required for this, at least a Core i3 PC required for you, and here you need at least 3 GB to install this in your PC as a ROM. That means your hard disk space. So here if you can fill up these 3 requirements, that time congratulations, now you're able to download and install this in your PC. And here now let's talk about this installation and the booting system of this Kali Linux. And guys, the good news is here you can use this by making boots here in your PC, like whatever we do to install the Windows 10 in our PC or other Windows in our PC. Like this we need a hard drive from where we can install it in our PC. You can do it single boot or some user use this as a dual boot, whatever, like here you use Windows 10 and with that you use Windows 7. Like this here you can do another option like Kali Linux. And from here now you can choose it and open the Kali Linux in your system machine. So here it's really easy, they have no any hassle for you, and here you needn't to be a hacker to use this, because here everything is ready for you. Now you can just keep some prompt code there, that time it will work, and for that reason most of the cases the user use this. But here the developers only make it to use it in a good ways, like to improve the security system of a website. Like by this they can know about the website's security system, is it good or bad, and in which part you have to be improved to make your site more secure. This type of security system work, they only make this. But here nowadays most of the people use it in a destructive work. So here guys, this is the thing. Now here guys, it's your turn whether you have to use it in a useful way or you use it in an abusive way. But here guys, I give you the precaution that if you do any abusive work by this Kali Linux, that time the authority of Sajidz Tech will not responsible for this, because I just make it only for information and the education purpose. So here guys, this is the thing to you, the whole features and the whole download, installation, everything about this Kali Linux. But here I don't show you the whole thing in a process by process, because here it will be really in the process. I'm not an ethical hacker. Guys, after watching this video, what do you think? Is this video, all the informations are really helpful for you? If it's so, that time I request you, please give a like that video, comment me below on this video, share this video with your friends. So guys, no more today, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.